Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina Crochet Gal here on YouTube. Today's video is just going to be a quick one to let you see what I have been working on and was on my hook. Now first, I'm going to show you last year's Valentine's project. I made lots of these cute little bears, and they're kind of out of shape now because this was in my daughter's room and I brought it in here to show you. I made them in pink, I've made them in blue, and lots of other different colors. And the foot portion is in the heart shape, which is really cute. Now this, everybody knows her channel. Gosh, she hasn't made a video for a long time, but she was, oh my gosh, the name of her channel escapes me. I'm so sorry. But she is a very well-known YouTube channel, and I'll put her information down below. But yeah, I made lots, at least 20 of these last year. So this year I wanted to make something a little less cumbersome and less time-consuming. Although I was whipping those up pretty quickly. I am continuing making the houndstooth hats. I've made them in a variety of colors. Unfortunately, I don't know how to use this particular app to insert photos, so I won't be able to do that. But I've made lots of different colors, and I've had red and white. I've done the army green. I've done beige, and they're really cute. And this particular hat is so easy and so fast to do. I've put these tags on all of them so I can remember what size I have in stock. I've sold quite a few of them. And again, this is a slouch hat, and I had 3 different sizes. I have a small, medium, medium large, and large extra large. Okay, and these are really fun to wear. And this top section here is the slouch part, so depending on your size, this flips back a little bit, and if you don't like that, I like to wear a bun on the top of mine, and there's a little bit of extra room up there so that you can wear it comfortably. So that's the slouch hat, and I'm just having a blast making all those. Next was this project, and the gal, I'll list below also where I found this pattern from. I only made this one sample. As you can see, it's the heart with 2 sides on it, the beige and the pink, and you've got 2 little arms that are hugging each other. And I didn't put the eyes on. I forgot to put the eyes in it, but I just wanted to show you. I didn't make any more of these because at the particular time I was crocheting these, my thumb was hurting, and there was a lot of pulling and tugging so that this section came in nice and tight. But this is a real cute project to do. Just some ideas if you need some last minute gifts. And then this one here, a cute little envelope. You want to tuck a nice little note into someone special. This is a great way to do it. And this is with fuzzy yarn, which is really soft and pretty. And then I've made a little heart piece here, and I didn't cover this section here. I was going to put some Velcro here. And then you can tuck a nice little gift card in there to someone special. And then the last items that I worked on was the coaster. So I got the idea. I love coasters. I love to make them, and I have all this cotton yarn to use up. So I thought I'd make some coasters, and then I put like a little heart design around it. So I thought that was fun. And I just started attaching the fringe. Just started working on that one. Here's one that's complete. I made 2 of each color. And I did dip, before I added the fringe, I dipped each one of them in a glue wash, which is a mixture of the glue and water, 50-50. And I just, plunged them in there, let them dry off so they can be a little bit firm. Not stiff, but a little bit firm. And then I added the fringe, cut it, trimmed it to the size that I wanted, and There they are, cute little hearts. I made 2 of this color. And then the next color, which I love, which is this is actually my favorite one. This one reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream. Doesn't it look like Neapolitan ice cream? Yeah. So this one came out really cute, really fun. And I made 2 of this color. Now I'm going to probably make a few more because I'm going to give a set to each of my daughters to have, you know, put it at their bedside or whatever. And I thought that would be cute. And that's pretty much it. That's what I've been working on. Oh, one more. I wanted to show you my diamond painting. Here is my progress on this diamond painting, and I love, love, love the houses. This whole section here on the left side, prior to where the washi tape is down the middle, or a quarter of it, this whole section is complete, and look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? So the next section that I'm working on is this bottom section. It's just so relaxing, so much fun to do. And I have been working on the cross stitch also, and I'll show you that in the next video. But this is just so much fun, and they're so inexpensive to purchase. The ones that I've bought are $10 and under, and I've ordered mine from Amazon. So if you want something a little bit different to do, this is a great way. You buy everything. It comes with everything that you need. Now, of course, if you want to get fancy and all into it, you can buy lights. You can buy all these different types of desktop things that makes it easier. But I'm a beginner, and I just lay mine flat, make sure I have adequate lighting, just like you would a cross stitch pattern, and you get everything that you need with it. Okay, so this is a great, fun, new type project that I've recently got into. This has been around forever, but I just recently picked it up, and I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. So that is all I have to share. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and if you would like to try that diamond painting. It's fun, it's easy, and I find recently with cross stitching I'm having more trouble seeing, so I'm not picking up that as often. I have to get some different lighting, and I tend to be in my bedroom a lot because this is where I get the most light. And still, it's not light enough unless I had my desk right in front of my window. I think it would be perfect there, but I don't have room there to do that. I have so much stuff, so much crafty stuff in here. Yeah, I'll turn my, see if I can do it. I'm going to turn my, because I am recording from my laptop. Well, let me pan this around. There's my Sadie. Oh, there's my treadmill that I should be on, but I'm not. That is what I decided to do to make my room a little bit more neat, because I had craft stuff everywhere. I ordered this from Amazon, and it looks so much more neat because I have jewelry in here. I have tons of projects, lots of fun things that I work on, and I just needed to put all that away so I can get my bedroom back. So that was, excuse my mess. There's my cat. Oops, sorry. But yeah, I wouldn't have too much room over there. But yeah, so that's what I've been working on, everyone. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day. Be safe, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.